sound like a baby guy.
How did I do mine? Mine sounded weird.
Do it again. Do it again.
This guy sound like somebody beat him up. Sound like he's hollering. Problem on that 2 little grill.
Yeah, sound like
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Trampoline.
Ribbit.
Almost home. Now I gotta get in the car. I'm back to the washer, right?
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Burn up all kinds of gas, so I'm jumping the car to the truck. But they parked this mower back there in the cut, and they ain't coming out no more till Tuesday. Time to go back to work.
Let's do it again.
No.
Version, do your moo again.
One
more time, right?
My voice keeps cracking up when I do it.
This is funny.
Black.
Why you park in the yard?
Because I had a trailer, I couldn't get the truck in and out. Too many cars here. And then I seen your mom on the road. I thought she was gonna be here too.
Oh.
So I said,
Where was she at?
She had blown at me when I was over at the tire place. Thought she was coming here. She must have been going to work then. So that was like 11:30, about 11 something.
Oh.
Not quite 11:30. She ain't come over here?
Huh.
No, she probably was going to work then. All right. Y'all want to get out right here to keep the track of mud now? Y'all want to get out on the pavement and come around the front.
All right.
It's going to be bad enough with my feet. Matter of fact, I'm going off in the car and go for it.
All right. Come on, bro. Whew. Got my boots on, mister. I'm in the video here.